Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to EVS class. In the previous class, we have studied about lesson number 6, our country. Once again, let us recall the topic and complete this lesson today. Okay children? So India is our country. What is our country? India. The capital of our country is New Delhi. We all are Indians. So all these we have studied in the previous class. So our flag, what is our national flag children? Tiranga. Tiranga is our national flag. So what is the first color? Saffron. Saffron stands for courage. So saffron stands for courage. You have to remember children. White. So white indicates, that is, what is the meaning of white color? Peace and purity. Yes, peace and purity. Now, green color means it represents our prosperity. It represents our prosperity. Okay, children? Now, today let us see our values, what we have studied from this lesson. So, we should respect our national flag. Everyone should respect our country. And also, we have to respect our country. So, we should respect our national. Remember what we have studied. India is a country where we live. Yes, have you remembered this? India is a country where we live. The national flag of India is a tricolor with saffron, white and green. Now, the lotus is a national flower, the tiger is a national animal, and the peacock is the national bird of India. So all the pictures you have seen. Yes, children, have you seen all the pictures? Have you remembered? All these are our national symbols. Okay. So the president is the head of the country. Who is the head of the country? President. Who was the first president of India, children? Just recall who was the first president of India? Yes, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Now, who is the present president of India? Yes, Ramnath Kovind. Okay, children. I hope everyone understood this lesson. So here one small box is there. Let us see. Why is Mahatma Gandhi also known as the father of the nation? Why, children? Because he's a great leader. He fought for our country. He was a he behaved like a responsible citizen of India, and also he was a head for everyone. He used to do all the works with patiently, and he also encouraged many freedom fighters to fight peacefully. That is why Mahatma Gandhi is called as the father of the nation. So many things we have to learn from Mahatma Gandhi ji that we will study in your higher classes. Okay, children. Now let us do this exercises, children. Yes, match the rows. See the match the rows. Now, national flag. Where is the national flag, children? See the picture. If you have textbooks, try to write the answers here. Okay. National flag. Yes. E. Tiranga. See, tricolor flag. You have to write here A. National flower. What is our national flower? Lotus. So here you have to write D. Okay. Everyone understood? Now see, national animal. Where is the national animal here? Tiger. Tiger is a national animal. Now, national bird. National bird. Very good. B. Peacock. Now, fifth one. President. Yes. First president. Who is here? C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Okay, children. Have you all completed this work? If you have textbooks, take textbook, take pencil and try to match these following. Okay. Now see the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. So here fill in the blanks are given. You have to write, two choices are given children. You have to identify and write there. Okay, if you have textbooks children, take pencil and try to complete this, fill in the blanks. Now let us see the first blank. India is a dash. See children, India is a state or country? Yes, you are right. Country. India is a country. Very good. So you have to tick this answer and write country spelling here. Okay, children? Now let us see the second one. There is a dash in the center of our flag. So what is there in the center of our flag, children? Yes, just recall. What is there? Wheel or lotus? Wheel. Very good. We will also call it as Ashoka Chakra. Have you recalled that? Yes, Ashoka Chakra. How many spokes are there, children, on Ashoka Chakra? Wheel? Yes, 24 spokes. What it represents, you know? What it represents? 24 hours. Okay? Yes. There is a wheel in the center of our flag. Okay? Now see the third fill in the blank. The peacock is the national dash of India. Peacock, see this. The peacock is the national dash of India. Bird or flag? Is it a bird or flag? Yes, it is a bird. So tick on the bird and write bird spelling. Okay. Now fourth one. The dash is the head of our country. Who is the head of our country? Who is the head of our country? Yes, President is the head of our country. The dash is the head of our country. President. The president is the head of our country. Yes. Now see the fifth blank. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the dash president of India. Yes, we have studied about him. Yes, children, we have studied about him. Now tell me, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the dash president of India. First or present? First or present? First. Yes, he was the first president of India. Yes, if you have read this lesson properly, you can easily answer all these questions, children. Okay, they are very interesting now. Yes. So here some questions are there. I will give you the notes through My Class Campus. You can write all the classwork. Okay. Now, once again, let us see here. Some keywords are there, children. Let us see these keywords. Map. You know, children, what is map? A drawing of a town, country, etc. Anything. So whatever a drawing of any town or country and so many things, we will call it as map. You know, children, we can also map our house also. Okay. For example, if your house is located in any society, okay, anywhere in the city, you can also draw the map. So how you can reach from school to your house, you can also draw it. Okay. So that drawing, a drawing of a town or country or anything, etc. We will call it as map. Okay. Now country, what is country? An area of land with its own people and its own set of rules. So we have so many rules and regulations, right? Yes, our India has some rules and regulations. Every Indian should follow, and who are coming from different countries, they should also follow our rules. Then only they are allowed to stay in our country. Okay. So an area of land with its own people and its own set of rules, we will call it as country. There are many countries, right children? You will study in your higher classes. Okay. Now capital, the most important city in the country. The most important city in the country. See children, what is the capital of our India? What is the capital of our India? Tell me. Yes, New Delhi is the capital of India. Now, children, one small question I want to ask you. Do you know that? Just check. If you don't know, you learn it. Okay. What is the capital city of Telangana? You know, children, in which state we are living? We are living in which state? Telangana. So now tell me, what is the capital city of Telangana? If you know, you can answer. No problem. If you don't know, you learn. Okay? Yes, Hyderabad is the capital city of India. No, sorry, not India, Telangana. Okay? Yes. So the capital city of Telangana is Hyderabad. Then what is the capital city of our India? New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital city of our country, India. Okay. Now see the symbol. A mark, a sign or picture that shows something. So what is the symbol? Many symbols we will keep, right? Yes. A mark or a sign or a picture that shows something, we will call it as symbol. So we have seen our national symbols, right? Yes, it is in the form of pictures. Have you seen tiger, peacock, lotus? So all these are in the form of pictures, right? So it may be in the form of picture or a mark or a sign. Okay, we will call it as symbol. Now, now see here, national. So national is nothing but it is a of a country. Okay, national means of a country. Anthem, the official song of a country that is sung by everyone on special days. So on Independence Day or on Republic Day or on different days, we will sing national anthem. Right, children? Or on any special occasions when you are starting your yes school any programs whatever we are conducting any special things we will also sing there, right? National anthem is nothing but our official song of a country. Any country has their own national anthem. Okay, now see here, this is the official song everyone will sing on special days. Okay, what is our national anthem, children? Yes, Janaganamana. Who written our national anthem? Who written, children? Yes, Rabindranath Tagore. Just you have to remember all these things, children. Once again, go through the textbook and also complete these exercises, page number 30 and page number 31. Okay? And then we can complete this lesson. Try to read the textbook, children, and also underline the hard words. Stay safe, children. Have a good day. Thank you.